Hello, Kamalji, and our listeners. The question that I have before me today is quite a common question, especially from parents from countries where employment based priority dates are very backed up, like India, China, Philippines, Mexico. So even when you apply for your green card, you are concerned whether that employment based green card will also help the children who might be turning 21 by the time you get around to getting your green card. So, the Child Status Protection Act gives us partial protection in these cases. It isn't perfect, but it does protect to a certain extent. The way this works is, first of all, if your I-485, the last step of the green card process, is filed, and then the child turns 21, there is no problem. But the race is to the I-485. If the I-485 is not filed, you can only get a grace period for the time your I-140 was pending. You do not get any grace period beyond that. Of course, if the child turns 21, even counting the grace period, you can file your 485 but not your child's 485. You then have to look at applying for your son or daughter through the category of green card holder applying for their unmarried son or daughter, and that can take time. Once you get your green card, you would apply for them. And of course, in the meantime, if your son or daughter has finished school, they can go on to their own H1 and apply for their own green card through their own work. And you can have more than one green card pending at the same time. A couple of other things that have happened in the immigration world. Trump's administration, as we expect, is trying to make even legal immigration as difficult as possible. So one of the things they have done recently is they are trying to take away something which was available to students who had fallen out of status and would not be considered to be unlawfully present, which means if you are unlawfully present for 180 days, you are barred from entering USA for 3 years. Unlawfully present for 1 year, you are barred for 10 years. They are trying to take away that protection. If you stop attending school, you could be subject to the 3 or 10-year bar, and there is a proposed notification out for it, and they intend to make it final in the next 30 days. Good luck, everyone, and it's great talking with all of you. Thank you to all our listeners.